Welcome to Speed Zone. In the world of hyper-luxury and limitless mobility, the year 2026 has ushered in a new era of motorhomes, extravagant homes on wheels, built not just for comfort, but for status, performance, and breathtaking style. Today, we'll take you into the rarefied world of three of the most iconic names in luxury: Rolls-Royce, Ferrari, and Brabus. Each brand has brought its legacy into the future, crafting motorhomes that are more than just vehicles. They are mobile mansions on wheels, expressions of art, and proof that innovation and tradition can coexist. Let's dive deep into the world of the top three 2026 luxury motorhomes. We begin with the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a marvel of British craftsmanship, opulence, and engineering. Rolls-Royce has always stood for elegance beyond measure, and in 2026, they've taken their bespoke artistry to the world of luxury RVs. The exterior design exudes pure class, finished in hand-polished mirror silver with intricate pinstriping done by a single artisan. The front showcases the iconic Pantheon grille, with a retractable spirit of ecstasy that rises in complete silence. The lighting system is a spectacle in itself. Bespoke laser-cut LED headlamps with Swarovski crystal elements shimmer like jewelry under sunlight. Side panels are seamlessly integrated into the body with a two-tone color scheme, and flush doors open like a theatrical performance. Its architecture uses a carbon aluminum composite chassis, which provides unparalleled strength and rigidity while reducing weight. Large panoramic side windows are outlined with soft ambient LED trims that adjust based on lighting and mood. A deployable step system slides out with the elegance of a red carpet unfurling for royalty. The rear features a cascading LED tail light design, a split tailgate that transforms into a mini patio, and twin umbrella compartments. The motorhome is fitted with 24-inch chrome alloy wheels that are designed with signature Rolls-Royce floating hubs. Stepping inside is like entering a private penthouse suite on Park Lane. Every surface is wrapped in the world's finest materials, from Arctic birch veneers and hand-woven silk panels to white leather sourced from alpine cattle raised in acoustically calm environments. There's no clutter, only curated luxury. The living area is decked with a curved OLED wall, ambient lighting syncs to music, and a built-in champagne cooler by Dom Perignon. The dining area features a concealed induction cooking setup and retractable tables finished in mother-of-pearl lacquer. A short corridor leads to a bedroom unlike any in the RV world. A king-sized floating bed with an adaptive massage system rests under a starlight ceiling, a hallmark of Rolls-Royce. At the press of a button, blackout blinds glide shut, the lighting dims, and a soft scent of lavender infuses the air. Even the restroom is a sanctuary, with marble tiling, a rainfall shower with gold-plated fittings, and a bidet system inspired by Japanese spa culture. Performance-wise, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome is powered by a newly developed twin electric motor setup, delivering a combined 900 horsepower. With an intelligent torque vectoring system and adaptive air suspension, it offers a ride smoother than silk. The range? A staggering 800 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its solid-state battery array. But power delivery is never aggressive. This is Rolls-Royce after all. The acceleration is more of a whisper than a roar. You glide. You don't drive. Advanced driver assistance includes level 4 autonomous capability with a chauffeur mode that lets the motorhome navigate cities, highways, and even complex RV parks entirely on its own. The heads-up display spans the entire width of the windshield, offering holographic navigation and real-time hazard detection. It's not just a home. It's a 5-star hotel with a VVIP entrance, moving through the world with majesty. Now we shift gears, quite literally, to a beast of a different breed, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. It sounds like a contradiction, doesn't it? A brand synonymous with speed and racetracks, building something meant to be lived in. But Ferrari has managed to pull off the unimaginable melding raw performance with lavish living. The exterior is a celebration of Italian aerodynamics. Unlike traditional boxy motorhomes, the Ferrari RV looks like a spacecraft that's kissed by the wind. It features an aggressive, wedge-shaped front with razor-sharp LED lights inspired by the SF24 Formula One car. Carbon fiber is used generously across the entire shell, with red-accented active aero panels that adjust on the go to. Manage drag. At full extension, the roof reveals an integrated solar array that helps power onboard systems. Huge intakes on the sides cool both the battery pack and the electric drivetrain, while the rear diffuser and quad exhaust tips, yes, it has a simulated sound system, give it the stance of a hypercar disguised as an RV. It rides on 26-inch magnesium alloy wheels with low-profile tires designed by Pirelli specifically for the Ferrari Motorhome. Inside, it feels like a cross between a race car cockpit and a Milan fashion studio. Alcantara wraps the seating, dash and walls, while carbon fiber accents contrast with Ferrari Rosso stitching. The driver's area has a yoke-style steering control and dual-curved 8K displays for telemetry and vehicle systems. The main living space features slim racing seats that recline into lounge chairs, a minimalist Italian kitchen, and even a foldable dining table with the signature Cavallino logo. Etched in crystal dot at the rear lies a sleeping pod that slides out from the vehicle, itself like a spaceship docking with a space station. It features a climate-controlled capsule with electrochromic glass, a touch-sensitive control panel, and a surround sound system tuned by Bose. The restroom is compact yet luxurious, with forged aluminum fixtures and a rainfall shower crafted from recycled titanium. Underneath this machine lies the true heart of Ferrari. It runs on a tri-motor electric system, producing 1,200 horsepower with launch control. This isn't just fast for an RV, it's fast for anything on wheels. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, just 3.8 seconds. And yet, the engineers have designed an active ride stabilization system that ensures the motorhome doesn't roll or lean at high speeds. It hugs curves. It handles. It performs with its high-output battery, offering 700 kilometers of range and ultra-fast charging that gets it back to 80% in under 15 minutes. The Ferrari Motorhome is made for those who don't want to leave performance behind when they hit the road. It's bold. It's brash. It's beautiful. And most importantly, it's Ferrari, unmistakably and unapologetically. Now we conclude with the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, a machine that redefines what it means to travel in high-tech, high-performance opulence. Brabus, the German powerhouse known for turning Mercedes-Benz vehicles into road-dominating beasts, has applied its brutal elegance to the motorhome segment with jaw-dropping results. The exterior of the Brabus RV looks like something out of a military sci-fi film. It's matte black, angular, aggressive, a fusion of armor and art. The front fascia features a reinforced steel bumper with built-in radar, and night vision sensors. The Brabus emblem glows red against a gloss black grille with active shutters. Side panels are bulletproof composite with hydraulic extensions that increase the living space by 40% at the press of a button. The motorhome features armored glass, an emergency satellite link, and thermal detection cameras for complete 360-degree monitoring. It sits on 28-inch forged carbon wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires, and underneath lies an active off-road suspension system with hydraulic lift capabilities. Step inside, and you feel like you're entering a secure VIP bunker mixed with a tech billionaire's lair. The living space is draped in black suede, forged carbon, brushed aluminum, and ambient red lighting that can shift based on mode: stealth, relax, or war zone. Seating is done in ventilated diamond-stitched leather with built-in biometric health monitoring. There's an 8,000 holographic display system integrated into the ceiling, a full server rack for onboard data processing, and satellite internet with redundant systems. The galley kitchen is tactical but luxurious, featuring a refrigerated prep station, infrared oven, and a drone docking station for aerial food deliveries. The bedroom includes a zero-gravity bed with vibration-canceling tech, HEPA filtration, and hidden weapon storage. Even the bathroom feels like a private spa with a 360-degree rotating steam shower, chromotherapy lighting, and voice-activated fixtures. Brabus didn't hold back in performance either. This beast is powered by a V8 twin-turbo hybrid setup, producing 1,000 horsepower and 1,500 Newton-meters of torque. It can tow, climb, and conquer any terrain while maintaining the smoothness of a luxury yacht. The intelligent suspension adjusts in real time to terrain, while the AI-based co-pilot learns your driving style and adjusts performance parameters on the go. Range is rated at 600 kilometers hybrid, with an option for fuel cell backup for emergencies. The Brabus Motorhome isn't just about going places, it's about owning them. It's survival-grade luxury with a bulletproof soul and a thunderous heart. Whether you're exploring icy tundras, sandy deserts, or gliding through downtown Geneva, it ensures you arrive not just in style, but in total dominance. So, whether your style is the dignified Rollsy of Rolls-Royce, the high-octane elegance of Ferrari, or the tactical brute force of Brabus, the 2026 luxury motorhome scene offers something for the ultra-elite nomad. These aren't just vehicles, they're statements about taste, about ambition, about power. In a world where homes no longer need foundations, these are castles on wheels rolling, breathing emblems of the foot.